everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert a bunch of text URLs to active hyperlinks with Kutools for Excel. Here is a handy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its Convert Hyperlinks feature, you can quickly convert a bunch of text URLs to clickable hyperlinks, and also you can extract real hyperlink addresses from hyperlink text string. Select the cells containing the text URLs that you want to activate. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the link drop-down list and click Convert Hyperlinks. In the Convert Hyperlinks dialog box, under the Convert Type section, select cell contains replace hyperlinks addresses and then check the convert the source range if you want to put the actual addresses to the original range. Then click the OK button and the text URLs have been activated at once, as you can see. And if you want to put the result to another cell instead of the original cell, click the link drop-down list, click Convert Hyperlinks, and in the Convert Hyperlinks dialog box, please uncheck the Convert Source Range and click this button to select a cell where you need to output the result from the result range. Press Enter and click the OK button. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.